2018 Toyota Prius air filter, cabin filter replacement. I'm going to start with the air filter. Once your hood is popped, come right here and pop these silver clips off. Once those are off, you can kind of lift this up a little bit and pull it out. You want to get these little tabs out of those holes. And then once you have those out, you could get the filter out. See, it comes out like that. And once that's up, just pull the filter out here. It's kind of like it doesn't give you too much budging, but you can get it out. It's not too bad. I got my new one here. This is from the dealer. This is a Toyota air filter. That's my part number. And tiny little filter. Got it out, and then just kind of reverse what we just did. Lift this up, slide this guy in. It only goes in one way, so you don't got to worry about having it the wrong way. But it goes in like that. And then just put these little tabs back in those holes right here. There's two total, I believe. Make sure those are in, and once those are in, these should be able to clip on fairly easy. It shouldn't give you too much trouble. And that's how to do the air filter. So for the cabin filter, you want to come and open your glove box, and then right here on the right side is a little lever you need to remove. This guy right here, you could just kind of pull him off like that. Now once that's removed, I'm going to squeeze the sides, squeeze this side and squeeze this side at the same time and lower it down. Alright, lowered that down, and then you can actually just pull it straight out if you want and remove the whole thing. Now once that is off, we can come down here and look at it. So there's our door. Right here, if you squeeze these two together and pull this straight out, you can remove the door and then just pull this out. Grab this tray. Slide the tray out. Now take note, on the tray there's an arrow pointing up, and it also says up. When we put our new cabin filter in, our cabin filter will have this same symbol on it, and then we're going to make sure that it's pointing up as well. Alright, got this. This comes out. You can just grab it and get it out of the tray. And then I'm going to go ahead and get our new cabin filter. Here's my part number. This is from Toyota dealership. Go ahead and get this out. And here's that arrow and up I told you about. Go ahead and put this in my tray. Alright, so up right there and then up right there on the tray. And we'll just put this in place. Kind of got to squeeze the sides a little bit. Get it in, spin it in there. Okay, it should look like that. Down here and just slide this back in. Like that, it should slide in no problem. Get our door, little door. These little spike parts go on the bottom. And you can just go ahead and slide this side in first. I just slid that side in first, and then this side. Just bring it around and you can just push it straight in, and those will clip into place. And then we're going to go ahead and get our glove box back on. You can just line these little hinges back up on these little hinge spots. And just push it up like that. Put our little plunger back on. And then this should just close. Perfect. You shouldn't have any issues. Open and shut it. There you go. So that's the cabin filter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. I will see you next video. Have a good one.
You're pretty good.